Okay, good afternoon everyone. How are we all doing? My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. And guess who I have with me? I have my niece, Kayla. You see how tall she's getting? She's really tall now. She's just below my chin. 10 years old and she's just below my chin. And I'm 5'8". Right, so good afternoon. Hope you're all doing well. This afternoon we are doing the Degustabox. I haven't done one of these with Kayla for a while now because I think the last couple of months the boxes arrived and our schedules and our times just haven't worked out. So I haven't filmed a Degustabox video for I think a good 2 months, maybe even 3 months. It's been a while, hasn't it? It's been a while. And this young lady here, after school, she's got a social life. So, you know, and me here, auntie here, has no life at all. So,
sorry.
yeah, exactly. So anyway, so Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It's a food subscription box. They do store cupboard ingredients, just popular items that you might find in the supermarket. It might be new items that you might get in the supermarket as well. The box costs £12.99, but I do have a discount code down below, and if you use my discount code you'll get £5 off your first box, so you'll get your box for £7.99. I need to apologise, I look a bit rough. I have no makeup on today in case you hadn't noticed, so my skin's looking a little bit crappy, but I will have makeup on later on because after I've done this video and I finish cooking dinner, I'm going to be doing my American Beauty boxes for July. I know they've arrived already in the month of July. I know. So I'm going to do my first one this afternoon. Well, let's crack on because you're going to be going out soon. So let's do this. So you usually get about 8, maybe to 10 items in here. There's usually a kind of theme to these boxes, and it's usually a lot of fun. You do get some value. I mean, we're paying £12.99 for the box, and you're going to get about probably about £30 worth of goods in here. So it's all good. Right, so there's usually some leaflets. Let's do the leaflets first. So the first leaflet here is for I don't know, it looks like a no added sugar, vegan friendly, naturally gluten-free alcoholic wine of some sort. And we've got a discount code which we can use in the supermarket. So that's the first one. Then we've also got something from Boost energy drinks. I'm not into all of these things, so you got that. It's like an information leaflet there. Then we have, this is the information about the products. We've got something here from Plant-tastic. So we've got Millionaire Flapjacks sauces, but you've got a discount coupon there, so 50 pence off if you buy a product from there. What else is this? Then we've got shop 40% off from, this I will probably use. So you've got discount code here for these drinks, 40% off. So I'll probably use that because I do like sparkling drinks. Let's go. So Kayla here is going to be picking out items and I am just going to talk about them. Are you ready, my lady? Let's go. So the theme this month is summer and get outdoors, which makes sense. Here we go. First product. You want to hold that up? That is the Plant-tastic. So we just see a leaflet for that. So these are Plant-tastic Millionaire Flapjacks. £2.25. Wow your taste buds with an explosion of flavours from gooey caramel, velvety chalk, golden syrup, oats and other plant ingredients. So tasty you'd never guess it's plant-based. And these are available at Tesco and Asda. £2.25. Do you want to try one? Yeah, go on. Go on, you might as well. You open it up and I'll go for the next one. Next product here is from Kettle Chips, where we all know Kettle Chips. And this is a new flavour, it looks like. And it's, how do you pronounce this? Sriracha? Sriracha? Sriracha. Okay. And these are £1.50. Kettle Sriracha Mayo Potato Chips take inspiration from street food markets around the world, bringing you the spicy zing of sriracha paired with creamy mayo to create a deliciously tasty combo with guaranteed crunch every time. And this is available at Waitrose and Tesco's, and it costs £1.50. That'd be good. I'll probably snack on those during the week. How's that going? Can I have a little bite? I'll just break me off a little bit. Because it's plant-based, so this won't be, it'll be the gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate, won't it?
It's not bad.
It's alright, it's okay, isn't it? Yeah, it's alright. Alright, next item. We've got 2 of those.
Yeah.
So This is the Dalston, so these are my kind of drinks. Dalston's soda, peach soda and rhubarb soda. Yum. These are £2 each. Made by chefs, Dalston soda is full flavour fizz crafted with real fruit and nothing nasty. No added sugar, no sweeteners and no artificial ingredients. These are right down my street. Available at Waitrose, Sainsbury's, Asda's and on Ocado. You should receive 2 items in your box. Yeah, definitely. This is nice actually, these millionaire things, aren't they? Now that I'm eating it, it tastes nice. That'll fill a little gap until you come back for dinner. Alright, next. So this is the product of the month, and this is from Dinky. This is Muscle Mousse, the Dinky protein bar. So I'll probably give this to Uncle Dan, my other half. These are £1.50. The Dinky protein bar is the perfect low sugar, high protein alternative to unhealthy chocolate treats. Great for when you need to curb those sweet tooth cravings or are looking for a quick protein boost, providing a whopping 11 grams of protein and only 1.6 grams of sugar per 35 gram bar. This is available at Asda. Actually, I might end up eating this actually, because I am trying to watch what I'm eating now, sugar and stuff. I'm getting old, so I need to watch all of this stuff.
Aww.
So either I'll eat it or Dan will eat it. Right, next. Oh, what's that from Mentos? I do like Mentos. Oh, it's chewing gum, so you'll probably want this. Excuse me. Right, so it's alright, I have to tap my bag. So this is Mentos gum, pure fresh cherry chewing gum, £2.50. Discover the same great taste of Mentos pure fresh cherry gum, now in a recyclable paper-based bottle, a refreshingly fruity sensation of freshness in your mouth. Mentos pure fresh cherry chewing gum has a crisp out shell and a unique liquid filled centre, providing a long-lasting gum bursting with fruity flavour, a sugar-free treat bursting with flavour. And this is available in the major supermarket chains. Okay. You can take that with you because I know you like chewing gum, so that's cool. Right, next. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm pleased with this. Right, so we'll take that one out. So this is, I don't know how to pronounce this. We've had this brand before and I don't know how to pronounce it. It's S-X-O-L-L-I-E. So I'm going to say Sholly. Sholly cider, spelled X-I-D-E-R. Sholly cider. That's how I'm going to say it. And this is in Crips Pink. So Crips Pink are a brand of apples. And it's 330ml bottle, £1.80. At Sholly, we give a damn about making the best damn cider in the world. Our Crips Pink cider is a fresh fusion of chilled floral sweetness and light bubbles made purely with Crips Pink apples and sunshine. That's it. No added sugar, no concentrate, vegan friendly, B Corp certified. I don't know what that means. Available at Sainsbury's, Morrison's and on Amazon Prime and at www.sholly.com. That's mine, because I love cider. That is my alcoholic drink of preference at the moment, so I am happy. So I'm already happy. We've got 3 drinks here, which I'm very pleased with. It looks like I've got a 4th coming up. Find space for it. Okay. We've got another bottle here. What's that?
I don't think it's a drink.
No, this is a sauce, right. So this is from the Sauce Shop. This is a brand I've never heard of before. Could be new to Degustabox. This is Sauce Shop Honey Chipotle Barbecue Sauce. You want that one? Because you like barbecue sauce, don't you? £2.75. Sauce Shop sauces are made in the UK using natural ingredients. Our Honey Chipotle Barbecue Sauce is the perfect addition to any barbecue, whether you're glazing chicken wings or just want a great pizza dip. It's sweet, smoky and has the perfect hit of heat. £2.75. Available at Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Asda and Booths. You've got a bottle already. Can I have a quick look at that bottle again? Of the sauce. So let's just show it again. Okay. So there you go. Right, next. There we go. Oh, another Lazy product. Okay, so this is from Very Lazy. If you see how many jars of chilies I've got, because I get so many from Degustabox, and it's usually various forms of chili paste, so it's nice that it's something else. So this is Very Lazy, and this is a Cajun paste, which I'll probably use this, because the chili ones, I just haven't got, I haven't used them. All still in my fridge. So Cajun paste, this is £2. For a taste of Louisiana, try our Cajun paste. It tastes great marinated over chicken or tumbled through your veggies. Cooking is maximum flavour, minimum fuss with Very Lazy. Available at Tesco, Asda and Morrison's. I'll probably use that to do sort of chicken and stuff this week probably. And potato salad. Nice. That'd be nice. Okay. How you doing, alright? Okay, what's next? So that is from Kind. Yeah, this is Kind Snacks. Thins Dark Chocolate Nuts and Sea Salt multi-pack, or Thins Dark Caramel Nuts and Sea Salt multi-pack. Which one is this one? This is Caramel Nuts and Sea Salt. Okay, these are £2.50. Kind Thins combine great tasty nutritious ingredients in a thin and chewy bar. Caramel nuts and sea salt includes a sweet and salty combination of nuts drizzled on caramel with a sprinkling of sea salt. I might end up eating these, so that'll be a change. For me it will be definitely be a change, so I might end up eating these. £2.50. Okay, they're different from a 12 chocolate bar, which is what I normally eat. Oh, I'm doing well on the drinks today. Got iced coffee here. So Boost iced coffee. So you'll either get a cafe latte or a caramel latte. What's that one? That's a cafe latte. Perfect. £1.19. Smooth, indulgent and mellow with a deliciously creamy and refreshing taste. Boost iced coffee is ready to drink wherever you are. Boost iced coffee is available in cafe latte, caramel latte, double espresso and iced matcha flavors. Available in convenience stores and on Amazon. You should receive one in the box, which we have. Cool. Right, I'll take this one. This one seems a bit. Oh, this is good. Gabby will eat these. This is from Jordan's Country Crisp Limited Edition Red Velvet. And this costs £3.80. So get your taste buds ready for delicious, crispy and crunchy golden oat clusters that we bake with care to ensure they are perfect every time. Chocolate brownie pieces, ooh, that might spoil it. Chocolate brownie pieces and cream cheese frosting flavoured red clusters. Oh, she's not going to eat this. They spoilt it with the chocolate and the cheese. Because my daughter, she's going to want just oats, straight up nuts, that sort of thing. She doesn't want the sweet things. Chocolate brownie pieces and cream cheese frosting flavoured red clusters create a lusciously fudgy combination of crunchy chocolatey deliciousness that will turn your milk pink. Is she going to want this?
Probably.
I don't think so either. I'll put it in the kitchen, but I don't think she'll eat this. It's not going to be, she won't see that as healthy. Okay, and I think that's it. That's a good box this month, don't you think? It's a nice range of products. More than happy with the drinks. So I've got the Dalston soda drinks there. I've got an iced coffee and I've got a bottle of cider. Happy days. You've got your Molten, your Plantastic Millionaire Flapjacks. That taste all right, don't they? Yeah, you've nabbed them now, so that's all good. We've got the kettle chips, which will be eaten by anybody. Chewing gum, you can take those. Not sure about who's going to end up eating this. My daughter might go for it, but I doubt it somehow. The sauce, the barbecue sauce, you'll either take that or I'll keep them here. And the Cajun paste, I'll keep that here for cooking. The Dinky protein bar, myself or my husband will eat that. And the Kind snacks, I can actually see me eating that. So I think good box again. I'm more than happy. Cool. There you go. That is our Degustabox for July. Yeah? Cool? All right. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, press that subscribe button. And I will see you soon. Very soon. Preferably more made up than I am now. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.
You don't even look that bad though.
Oh, I look rough enough. Bye.